I'm Susan. Today I am going to do a flip through of the journal that I did for Anton, who is Bontik Vintage Designs. He gave me the papers and asked me to make a journal, and I love his papers. I got a few more kits that I want to make journals with, and I've never made a one signature journal, so I think I'm going to try that. But this one is Gothic Coffee. There is a code in my description box for his Etsy shop for 50% off, and it is a wonderful deal. He has lots and lots of images in his kits, and this is just I have a video where I made this cover, and I ended up not covering the spine. I really liked the way it looked as it is, and I just covered the journal, and I used some seam binding and some paper beads for my closure. And make sure I'm in frame. But the images are amazing. Okay, I have got, it's a 3 signature journal. I've got this that I tag I made that with Amy on the 50 stack challenge 4. I made this pocket, and I've just got some ephemeras tucked in here and decorated that. I did gold splatters on most of my images, the pages. I made a belly band, and this was a card I made a while back, and I just updated it with some of the elements from his kit. But it's called Gothic Coffee, and I just decorated. Oh, and this is I did some gel printing, and that's one of my gel prints there. Okay, I did lots of washi and just stamping. A little tuck with a little tag I made. This is Big Mama Sandy Moore gave me this idea. She did some for hers, and this is glue stick that's been embossed. Just went around the edges with the glue stick, and I love that, the edging that it gives. Some of the images I did, you know, with presentation photo paper, and some I just used regular copy paper, and they're still beautiful even though the presentation paper, as you can see, is more bright. I added in some of the packaging paper to write on. I had a coffee book, and so he had a picture there. I just added one of his tags, and then we have the journaling card tucked in, and I collaged on the back where it was just you know, words from that coffee book. So I collaged on the back, and here's another print. It's a copy. Most of them I have, you know, are sided, but this one was in the middle. And here's another. This one is a Christie's Printables, and she is too, but that's one of Anton's. And I made this tag to go in here. And here's another Anton's. This is the center. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. It just is one of those papers that makes my heart sing. Here's one of my fabric pockets I made, and then I updated a tag that I'd already had made to go in here, and another on Christie's Printables. And I put some black lace, did some stenciling. Another from the coffee book page there, and then I collaged on that side, and I used one of these die cuts and just tucked these in there. Yeah, I thought it made a nice little tuck there. And I just added some washi stickers along. Of course, my doily. Here's the other half of that cup. Another little tuck. And this is a pocket I did from Roxy's weekly challenges, and this was a tag I updated, and just another little card to tuck in. This is one of Christie's printables, and one of Anton's prints tags. Isn't that beautiful? Another tag I've done. And this is just purple paper that I stamped. And here's another fabric tag. And I've got a journaling card. And I've got this tag that I made. I did some beads on some of the edges there. And let's see. This little pocket came with the kit, and I made a tag to go in it. That was from a book that I was just collaging for masterboards. And there we go. From that, another page from the coffee book. Stenciling. And another tag I did. That came from Anton's digital, and isn't that beautiful? I love the blackbirds, and there's the center. So pretty, so vibrant. And I made this pocket. It's one of those crisscross pockets with some tags and ephemera tucked in. And this tag I made a while back, and it's just paper clipped. And it folds out, and it's even got a little, I think it's paper tucked in. No, it's a little, yeah, paper envelope tucked in there. I just have it held together with one of the Tim Holtz tiny paper clips. Oh, it's thundering. We are getting rain. Here, I've got a card. I just did some glossy accents on the flowers, and I did a belly band. Another pocket that I had in my stash, and decorated it, and just a little scrappy flip out here. And a tag. Another little tuck spot with a tag. I think there's, I love, and he was very generous with me with what he gave me, and there's still more that I want to get. And this is just a little card from the Digital Collage Club that I tucked in. I made these clusters also on the 50 Stack Challenge. This is the back side of a paper clip. You can tuck something there. And I have this pocket that came with the kit tucked in, and it's got just a little journaling card, and I made an altered paper clip with one of the little circles in his kit. This is another one of my gel prints that I did. I had this tag, and I just made it into a belly band, and I just tucked in this little writing space, and another little card that I just kind of embellished. Another fabric pocket, another tag that I made, and here's a tag I made for the 50 Stack Challenge. In fact, I just made that this past week. More beads. lots of writing space. Another page from the coffee book. That's coffee beans. And I believe that's a coffee bloom. That. And here is some tags that and journaling cards I have tucked in. And this is one of those wraparound pockets. And it has a tag as well. I believe I made that on the 50 stack challenge. He sure is pretty. Oops. And the last center, it's gorgeous as well. I love it. I love that black coffee pot. And this is some more of my stenciling. I made that pocket, and I have this. And here's another collage from on the back of some of the book, this coffee book. And I've got another little tuck with some ephemera tucked in there. And let's see, a little cluster I did on Amy's channel, and I have some stuff tucked in there. Some more of my gel print. And my last pocket and tag. And this one is a hidden journaling spot. So there we go. I hope I got everything. I believe I showed this. Yes, I did. Well, I hope you like my journal. I'm going to put it up on my Etsy shop, hopefully by in the next few days. And I hope you like it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I appreciate y'all very much. And until next time, oh, be sure and check out Anton's Etsy store because, like I said, he is so talented and his kits are phenomenal. So until next time, bye y'all.